So in the auto sales data, we see a decent performance coming in by all the passenger vehicle companies, and all the companies are really hopeful and positive on the demand in the times ahead. But talking of the supply chain shortage, a mixed commentary coming in from there, because companies like M&M have highlighted that because of the China lockdown, their production and supply chain is getting impacted, and that's the company that has actually missed what we were expecting at 80 now. But on the other hand, an up to mark performance by Maruti Suzuki and even as Tata Motors. Maruti Suzuki, the company has managed to post a sales figure of 1.5 lakhs of units, and they do say that the chip shortage situation and supply chain constraints had a minor impact on their production numbers. But for Tata Motors, the expectation was quite very high, and a positive surprise coming in from there as well. Coming to the two-wheeler space, I guess the expectations were quite high when we talk of this particular space, and once again the companies have missed meeting to those expectations. When we talk about company like Bajaj Auto, which is seen to be a two-wheeler, three-wheeler and export play, that's the company that has posted a jump of 4.5% in their monthly sales figure on a month-on-month basis. But for Hero MotoCorp and for Eicher Motors Royal Enfield, there's a decline of 7 to 8% on a month-on-month basis. Coming to the commercial vehicle space, there's a change of trend that we did witness in this particular month gone by, because we were expecting decent set of numbers by all the companies, but a disappointment coming in from the companies like Ashok Leyland. While for Tata Motors and Eicher Motors VCV, it was an okayish kind of a performance, but for all the companies, if you see, then there's more than 30% of a decline on a month-on-month basis. And lastly, the tractor sales set of numbers, if we talk about, then it was a good performance by both the companies. For M&M, the tractor sales was close to 40,000 of units with a jump of 32% on a month-on-month basis, and Escorts managed to post a sales data of more than 8,300 of units, and that's the highest April month sales for the company.